Jay, please introduce me yourself.
Good day. I am Cecilia Talosig Guillermo, 30 years old, single, from Minanga, San Mariano, Isabela. I have 2 siblings, 1 brother and 1 sister. I am college undergraduate. I took Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
No sir, but I do have experience here as housemaid in San Mariano, Isabela. To a couple with 3 children, ages 2 months, 5 years old, and 8 years old. I do the household chores like cleaning, cooking, doing laundry, car washing, and my main job is taking good care of the children.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am always securing the safety of the children. When the baby is sick, I will check the temperature. If the baby is very sick, I will call my employer.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to provide for my family financially and for myself to be financially stable in the near future.
Okay, if you get hard, do you take care of your children?
I don't have yet children.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my job and remind myself that I need this job to provide for my family.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m. when my work is done and wake up around 5 a.m. sir.
Okay, are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'll be more patient and calmer while dealing with them, sir.
Okay, do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cellphone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sing it.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. I hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible. I promise to serve your family as best as I can. Thank you.